Hi, welcome back to my channel. I am Juliet Michael, your favorite motivational, leadership, business, lifestyle, and entertainment coach. I'll be speaking today about one of my books, The 21 Exceptional Traits of Highly Successful Entrepreneurs. I actually wrote this book last year to make entrepreneurs know that success in entrepreneurship is not. Hi, welcome back to my channel. I'll be speaking to you today about the 11 traits in my book, The 21 Exceptional Traits of Highly Successful Entrepreneurs, Insight into the Qualities of Wealthy Billionaires. And that trait is adaptability. How adaptable are you to your business? How have you been able to build new skills around your business? How have you been able to inculcate the skills you have built into the success of your business? Now, we see that the world is changing and businesses too are changing. New designs, new attitudes, new elements are being built. So you need to challenge yourself, train yourself, and be adaptable to the new environment of that business so you can become unique, sought after, and become an exceptional entrepreneur. Adaptability is a high trait for you to become a successful entrepreneur. It's not a trait you should joke with. It's a trait you should definitely imbibe into yourself. Come out of your comfort zone, develop your business, build new skills. That is adaptability. I'm sure you would like to know more about adaptability and its place in the entrepreneurship journey. I would encourage you to get my book, The 21 Exceptional Traits of Highly Successful Entrepreneurs, to know more about this high ticket trait. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.